know the weather condition of Delhi? It is very low. Friends, today we are going to know about some birds with my cousins. Friends, before we start, please subscribe so that you can get the notification of my every upcoming video, and also like and share my video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I am Sonali. Today I am going to tell about Bengal Florican. It is found in India and Nepal near the grassland of Ganga and Brahmaputra river basin. It is a bird with 68 cm as its height and 2,250 gram in weight. It has very less population. It has only left with 1,500 individuals. It is critically endangered and is on the IUCN Red List. Friends, I am Siddharth. Today I am going to tell you about Sparrow. It is found in Australia, America and India. It is a small bird with the height of 14 to 18 centimeters. The weight of sparrow is 24 to 40 grams. It eats grains and seeds. We can keep as a domestic animal at our home. It is a cute bird. I really like the bird. Please save them.
Hi, I am Priya. I am going to tell you about pink-headed duck. It is rarest species found in India. It is found in north of Ganga and west of Brahmaputra river. It is graceful with 60 cm as its height and has a long neck. It is 1.4 gram. It eats water plants and molds. Pink-headed duck are critically endangered. It is considered to be on the International Union for Conservation of Natural Red List.
Hi friends, I am Srishti. Today I am going to tell you about Indian Bustard. It is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. It is a bird with long leg and long neck, with the height of 4 feet. The weight of this bird is 15 kg. Its scientific name was Ardiotis nigrips. It is a bird with a horizontal body like ostrich. It is among the heaviest of all flying birds. It is my favorite bird. Please save them. So friends, I hope that you liked my video. If yes, please subscribe my channel, like my video and also share it. So friends, you can also see the nature around me. Please save the birds. Friends, I hope you liked my video. Bye. We will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.